D5 Render versus Twinmotion versus Enscape. Which rendering tool wins? Whether you're creating a jaw-dropping client presentation, testing lighting in real time, or preparing animations for a big project, this comparison will help you decide where to invest your time and money. Be sure to watch to the very end to find out which rendering tool truly wins. So let's start with D5 Render. D5 Render is a real-time ray tracing render that has been gaining serious traction in the visualization community. Known for its impressive realism and intuitive interface, D5 offers GPU accelerated rendering that can produce photo quality results with minimal setup. It has a growing asset library, supports real-time collaboration, and integrates smoothly with tools like SketchUp, Revit, and Rhino. The AI-assisted lighting and material systems help speed up workflows for those who want pro-quality visuals without days of tweaking. For architects, designers, and 3D artists who prioritize realism without overly complex setups, D5 is quickly becoming a favorite. Twinmotion, developed by Epic Games, is built on Unreal Engine framework, which means it's a real-time rendering beast. It's especially favored for architectural walkthroughs and urban planning because of its massive built-in library of high-quality assets and animated elements like people, cars, and trees. Its drag-and-drop approach to scene building makes it friendly to beginners, while its real-time synchronization with BIM and CAD software allows advanced users to iterate quickly. With strong VR support and a focus on immersive presentations, Twinmotion is perfect for those who want to impress clients with both beauty and interactivity. Enscape is the go-to rendering tool plugin for many architects who value seamless integration into their design workflow. Unlike standalone rendering tools, Enscape works directly inside software like Revit, SketchUp, and Rhino, allowing instant visualizations without exporting models. Its real-time rendering engine is incredibly fast, and its interface is designed so that architects can get stunning results without being rendering experts. Enscape shines in producing quick design iterations, VR experiences, and real-time client walkthroughs directly from your design files. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of rendering engine, D5 Render uses real-time ray tracing, Twinmotion uses Unreal Engine, and Enscape uses real-time rasterization. In terms of integration, all of them work with CAD and BIM. For asset library size, Twinmotion wins here as it is very large. D5 Render is medium but growing fast, and Enscape is small to medium. In terms of animation tool, Twinmotion wins again as it is the most advanced. Enscape is minimal. In terms of VR support, all three applications support VR. In terms of ease of use, Enscape wins here as it is beginner friendly. D5 Render also has high ease of use. In terms of hardware demand, Enscape wins here as it has low to medium hardware demand. D5 Render requires high hardware specs. D5 Render is best for photorealism focused artists, Twinmotion for interactive presentations, and Enscape for instant design feedback. And now for the pros and cons. D5 Render has exceptional realism. Ray tracing technology produces highly realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows. This means your renders can compete visually with those from high-end offline renderers. Here's a smooth workflow. Intuitive UI and real-time previews make it easy to adjust scenes without constant trial and error exports. You can instantly see how changes affect the final render. Here's a growing asset library. Expanding selection of quality materials and models save time on sourcing assets externally. The regular updates ensure you always have fresh resources at hand. However, it is hardware intensive. It requires a strong GPU to fully leverage its tracing capabilities, limiting accessibilities for those with weaker setups. Even mid-tier machines may struggle with complex scenes. It's newer in the market. As a relatively new tool, it lacks some advanced features found in more mature software. Users may occasionally encounter bugs or missing niche functions. It has limited animation features. While still evolving, it doesn't yet offer as many advanced animation controls as Twinmotion or Unreal Engine. Complex animation sequences may require external tools. And now for Twinmotion. Its pros included having a massive asset library. Thousands of ready-to-use objects, vegetation, and animated characters speed up scene creation. This makes it ideal for large-scale presentations and cityscapes. Here's real-time rendering. Built on Unreal Engine, it delivers beautiful results instantly, even with heavy scenes. The engine's optimization ensures smooth performance during walkthroughs. It has strong VR and presentation tools. Immersive experiences are easy to set up, making client presentations more engaging and memorable. This can help with bids and impress stakeholders. However, it is less photorealistic than D5. While still beautiful, Twinmotion's lighting and reflections are slightly less physically accurate. This can be noticeable in high detail close up shots. It has large file sizes. The asset heavy scenes can result in huge project files, which can slow down collaboration or make sharing cumbersome. It has a learning curve for advanced features. Beginners can start quickly, but mastering fine controls takes more time and patience. And now to Enscape. Enscape has seamless integration. It works directly inside major BIM and CAD tools without exporting, streamlining workflow. This means less time spent on file conversions and more on design. It has fast rendering speeds, produces impressive visuals in seconds, perfect for tight deadlines and last minute design changes. It's great for iteration. Real time adjustments means you can tweak designs during client meetings, enhancing collaboration and responsiveness. However, it has a limited asset library. It has fewer built in assets compared to Twinmotion, so you may need external sources. This can slow down workflow for complex scenes. It has less advanced lighting. While good for quick results, its lighting system isn't as advanced as D5's ray tracing. Some renders may lack the cinematic polish of high end tools. It's not ideal for high end animation. Enscape focuses more on stills and simple walkthroughs. Complex animation sequences are not its strength. And now for the real world scenarios. For scenario 1, architectural client pitch, D5 render would shine here if you want ultra realistic images that sell the vision. Twinmotion could impress with animated people and moving cars for immersion, while Enscape will allow instant tweaks in front of the client. For scenario 2, urban planning project, Twinmotion's vast asset library and ability to handle massive environments make it the winner for large-scale projects. For scenario 3, tight deadline concept review, Enscape takes the crown when time is short, allowing same-day renderings without complex setup. In the battle of D5 render versus Twinmotion and versus Enscape, there's no absolute winner. It all comes down to your needs. The final verdict? Choose D5 render if photorealism and cinematic quality are your top priorities, and you have the hardware to back it up. Choose Twinmotion if you want rich, interactive presentations and a huge library for quick world building. And finally, choose Enscape if speed, integration, and effortless iteration are more important than advanced visuals. For many professionals, using two of these tools in tandem actually covers all bases. Enscape for design feedback and quick turnarounds, and D5 or Twinmotion for polished final presentations. And that is an honest review of D5 Render, Twinmotion, and Enscape. Which software tool are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.